Good morning, everybody. Oh, is it even more? Okay, it's just about morning still. It has been a while since I filmed a vlog. I feel like I've been in a little bit of a creative rut recently. Even today, I wanted to start this vlog early this morning, but work? You guys, having a 9 to 5 and actual responsibilities is just like no joke. Like, I was not prepared for this coming out of college. Either way, I'm gonna keep on chugging along. Today, I'm gonna be taking you along for a day in my life. I figured I'd ease back into the vlogging. I've been trying to do like week in my life vlogs, and I feel like I get so overwhelmed by the end of the week. And I just like, it hasn't been working, so we're trying something different. Again, for context, it is 11 o'clock. I got up this morning at like 7:30 and I've just been working since then. I had a meeting around 10 that I needed to have some stuff done for. And I'm really glad that I did that because I was able to make a lot of progress and the meeting was really, really good. But yeah, that's just been my life recently. My job, I don't really talk about it a ton. I am an engineer, but really what I'm doing right now is just getting a whole bunch of data for my team so that we can all do our jobs better. And it's a lot of fun, but it is a lot of time consuming work. But I do like it a lot, so that's a good thing. I'm just taking a little bit of a break right now. I think I'm gonna have a snack. Okay, actually I didn't realize how close to lunch it was, so I'm gonna have a snack later. But I will run you through a few of the things I've been working on. Mostly, like I said, I'm doing a lot of data stuff, so I'm having to bring a lot of data from Snowflake or other, you know, data lake softwares, and then I'm putting them into like Power BIs just to like help everybody to figure out what's left on their list of things to do, more or less. Luckily for the rest of the day, I don't really have many other meetings. I have one more meeting, but it's for it's not technically for my job, like it's like for like a side thing that I do. I mean, it is still my job, like it's still at my company, but yeah, it's like for a little side thing. So it's a lot of other people like my age. It's really been so long since I talked to you guys. Like, I miss you, I miss doing this. And I hope that today is a fun day and I'll take you along. It's literally just gonna be so normal though. Like, I don't really think I'm doing anything that exciting. I do have a dance class later, which is my favorite thing. We're actually doing some partnering for ballet. I don't know if I'll be able to film, but I will try my best. Cheers to a work day. Okay, I have you at my desk right now, and I'm gonna blur this out, but I want to show you at least the gist of all of the things I have to do. I brain dumped all of this yesterday while I was going through a little bit of a stressful, overwhelmed moment, and yeah, we have a lot to do. If anybody has any advice on kind of staying on top of things when you're in a job, I feel like at school it's really easy because you have like classes and you kind of know how to categorize everything, whereas I feel like in a job you might have like different job duties and things that you have to be doing and responsibilities, but they all do kind of overlap. So I find it really difficult to kind of separate those things out a little bit. I don't know, maybe this is just the nature of what I'm doing, but does anybody else have that problem? And like, how do you plan for that? Like, how do you section off your day? I don't know. I just feel like I'm always being pulled in so many different directions. And I'm not important, by the way. Like, I am literally at the bottom of the totem pole. I am not important. Nothing that I do really is that important. But I still get really stressed because I want to do a good job in everything that I'm doing. So I'm like, how do I balance all of these different aspects and people that I have to reach out to? I'm learning. These are the headphones that I use on a day-to-day basis, and they're so comfy. I love them. The noise cancellation is also really good. They're the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700 in silver. They connect really well, I feel like, to everything. I use them for like meetings at work and stuff too. Not very often because I don't like that a lot. I would rather just have the computer audio, but I do every once in a while. I feel like my AirPods that I have only connect really well to my phone, but these, they have an app and it's really easy to get them to connect to different sources. Like, I always use them whenever I ride the Peloton. It's really easy to make sure that they connect to that, and they can switch connections really quickly and easily. So let's get to work. I have been listening to Noah Kahan, I don't know how to say his name, Noah Kahan, like a lot recently. So this is the album of the day, Stick Season. It's about 1 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my lunch break. I managed to get a few things done off of my to-do list, and I'm really hungry. If you haven't tried manchego cheese, like, get on that because it is so good. I'm making some dinosaur chicken nuggets and tater tots for lunch because I eat like a 5-year-old, but I have sophisticated taste in cheese, so. I feel like I always see people in videos come out with the most aesthetically pleasing lunches, dinners, all of this stuff, and my plate winds up looking like this. Sometimes I'll make something a little bit more interesting. Today was just not that day. Today was a throw in the air fryer, cook for 10 minutes and eat kind of day. I just had my food and I've been sitting on my sofa and I'm hitting like the afternoon slump, and I can't because I think I'm gonna have to have an extra little call that I wasn't expecting. I need to like wake up for it. Yay. I just had my little call with my boss that I wasn't expecting to have. It was fine, and I've changed my setup now. We are in standing desk mode, which means it's really time for the work to get done. I'm only gonna work for like probably another hour since I started so early this morning, and I've also worked late a lot this week, and I think I'm like coming to a point where I feel comfortable stopping for the day, and I really just can't wait to be done. And yeah. Anybody else like not present whenever they're working, especially when I'm working from home and I like don't really talk to anybody casually? Like, you guys are my only form of conversation today aside from like work conversations, you know what I mean? Anyway, let's finish up the day. There is no feeling like shutting your laptop on a Friday afternoon knowing that you're done for the weekend. It also means snack time. And I have crumble cookies in my fridge that are calling my name. I did not finish early, by the way. I was going to, and then it was like 4 o'clock and I was working on something and I was kind of engrossed in it, and I was like, I kind of want to just try and finish this. So I did try and finish it. I didn't quite finish it, but that's okay, I got closer. Also, these crumble cookies are so good this week. I think one of them is like a cinnamon scone and the other one is a chocolate chip cookie dough. Both of them are delicious. Now that it stopped raining, it's so nice and sunny in here. Also, the trees outside are starting to bloom, which makes me so happy. Like, I can't wait to not have to see the road anymore. I'm just getting ready now for my ballet class I'm about to go to. I am going to show you the fit. It's nothing that special, but I loved this leotard. I've had it for years and years and years. It's been one of my favorites forever. I especially love, let's see if you can see, I love the back. I just think it's so nice and different, you know? So I'm not going to obviously leave my apartment looking like this. I am going to put on my trusty trash bag pants and a sweater and then head out. Hello you guys, I have just gotten back from ballet. I did get one clip and the lighting in it, it's so weird, but I guess I might show it anyway. I don't know. I'm sorry if it's literally like the worst clip ever. I don't know what my phone was doing. But it's 8:30 now. I have a video that I really need to make myself edit because I want to get back into it and I want to edit this video. I don't know why I have such like a brain dump when it comes to editing this video. I really don't know. I also obviously need to have dinner and then I'd like to just like chill out a little bit too, but I don't want to go to bed too late. So I don't know if I'm gonna manage to do all of those things or not. We'll see where the night takes us. Zero part of me wants to make dinner right now, and I make it a point to not order food or anything whenever I am alone. But right now the temptation to like order a pizza and just call it a night is so high, but it's already 9 o'clock. So if I did order food, like I'm hungry now. It would take like an hour to get here. I don't have any food. I have to go grocery shopping this weekend, so I literally just... like my fridge is bare. There's nothing in here. I had written down, and I do have like fish that I can do in the air fryer or in the oven or something, and I don't know, I'm just like, I don't feel like eating that right now. You know, like the only meal that I have available to me, I'm just like, I don't really want it. The executive decision has been made. I am just gonna microwave a meal. This is real life, you guys. This is tonight's meal, and honestly, like, it does not look bad. I made these samosas in the air fryer as well that I had frozen, and I'm quite excited to eat this. Lighting is funny, but I've just been watching Friends and I just need to go clean the kitchen now and like pick up everywhere so it's at least kind of clean for when my friend gets here tomorrow. But it is 10 o'clock, so I'm not like, the place isn't that dirty. I just like want to pick up bits and bobs. Okay, you guys, it is like 11 o'clock and I am absolutely shattered. So I'm gonna head to bed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you did, then make sure to like and subscribe and come back for more of my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye!